As we were updating everything else, we noticed we can't leave these old ball returns that we have. And so one of the key features on the ball return is that sensor.
Yeah, if the kid or somebody tries to stick their hand inside of there, it'll sound an alarm and shut off the machine, so there's no chance of them getting their hand caught in there.
With it being computerized, when that sensor sees an object that's in the way that's not a bowling ball, and it only takes a second or two, it shuts off. This is much more secure. You know that people's hands, when we're talking about kids here, when they stick their hands in the throat where they don't belong, that sensor is going to see it and it's going to shut off.
Another favorite feature of the Harmony ball return is the energy saving capabilities. I mean, it by far saves way more energy than what our old ball returns were doing.